Okay, Assalamualaikum. The next topic adalah measuring the central tendency, which is mean, median, and mode for group data. Okay, as you know, if our data be expressed in the group, okay, so we will have the intervals and the frequency. Okay, so to calculate the mean, this is the formula. So untuk to calculate the mean, median, and mode for group data, we will have the formula that you need to memorize and know how to use the formula to get the value of mean, median, and mode. And also we can use the other than formula. We also can use the diagram of or GIF dan juga histogram to find the value of median dan juga mode. Okay, the first one is mean. Okay, so this is a formula to get the value of mean. Okay, notationnya adalah X bar. Okay, equal to summation of fx. Fx here means that the frequency multiply the value of x. Okay, x here adalah midpoint. So you need to know how to find the midpoint first and then multiply the midpoint. Okay, midpoint multiply dengan frequency and then baru you total up. Okay, you need to find this column first. F darab dengan X for each of this row and then baru you total up, baru you akan dapat summation of Fx. Bukannya you sumkan Fx. Okay, bukannya you sumkan F, sumkan X and then you tambah. Salah you kena darab dulu. F darab dengan X baru you total. Okay, divide dengan summation of F, which is the total of the frequency. Okay, look at this column, this example. The frequency distribution of electricity bills of a group of low-cost apartment, okay, in the table below. Calculate the mean value. Okay, according to this table, we have two columns here, which is the electricity bills, which is our classes ataupun interval, 0 to 15, 15 to 30, 30 to 45, and so on until 105 to 120. And then the number of family here adalah frequency. So in order to find the mean and to use the formula of mean, which is summation of fx divided dengan summation of f, first of all we need to find the value of midpoint, which is the notationnya kat sini adalah small x. Okay, ini adalah small x. Di sini adalah small x I tadi. Okay, so how to find the midpoint? It is the midpoint of the interval actually. So 0 plus 15 divided by 2, you akan dapat midpoint. So here, the midpoint for the first class will be 7.5. Okay, then the second one, midpoint di antara 15 and 30. Midpoint di antara 15 and 30. So you can do it as 15 plus 30 divided by 2. So you akan dapat 22.5 here. Okay, how about the next one? 30 plus 45 divided by 2, you akan dapat 37.5. The next one will be 45 plus 60 divided by 2, it is 52.5. The next one, 60 plus 75 divided by 2, 67.5. Next one, 75 plus 90 Divide by 2, 82.5. And then 90 plus 105. Divide by 2, 97.5. The next one, 105 plus 120. Divide by 2. The answer will be 112.5. That is the midpoint. We need this column to calculate the value of f divide dengan x. Multiply dengan x. So these two columns should be multiplied first to create this column, and then you total up untuk dapatkan yang value yang atas. Okay, so 71. The first row 71 multiply 7.5, you will get here 532.5. Okay, the next one, the 22 multiply 22.5 multiply 31, you akan dapat 697.5. So sama juga dekat sini, you kena buat for every this row. Okay, so total here yang you akan dapat summation of Fi Xi. You total up this column, you akan dapat summation of Fi Xi. Okay, try to do this. Berapa kita akan dapat summation of Fx? You should do one by one. Okay, try to sum up. I get 8655 here. Should be divided with the total of the frequency, which is total of this column. Okay, total of this column, you akan dapat summation of F. Okay, should be 71 plus 31 plus 13 plus 9 plus 10 plus 18 plus 28 plus 14. So the answer is 194 here. So when you calculate, okay, divided 8655 with 194, you will get 44.6134. Okay, so this is the value of mean. So what can we conclude from this value? So since the variable here adalah electricity bills in RM, so we can say that the average, okay, the average electricity bills of a group of low cost apartment is RM 44.61. Okay, tak perlu letak prefer. Tak apa, sebabnya sekarang ni unitnya dalam RM. So here will be, we can say that in average, the electricity bills for a low cost apartment is RM 44.61 cent. Okay, so you need to know how to interpret the value of mean, put the average in front. Okay, the next one is the median. The notation of median is X tilde here. To find the mean for group data, the median for the group data, create a column for the cumulative frequency and determine the position of median in the distribution. And then apply the formula of median, which is Lm plus in bracket n over 2 minus fm1 over fm multiply C. Okay, all of this notation ada kat sini. And no worries because of the formula of median will be given. Nanti you no need for you to hafal, but you need to know how to use the formula. So small n kat sini adalah sample size. LM di sini adalah lower limit of the median class. So first of all, you kena tahu dulu your median berada di kelas yang mana. Which classes contain our median. First of all, kena tahu dulu median berada di kelas yang mana untuk you nak letakkan di sini lower limit of the median class. Okay, and then Fm minus 1, which is this, adalah cumulative frequency before the median class. Cumulative frequency before the median class. So, we need to create another column untuk kira cumulative frequency. Fm adalah frequency. Tadi Fm minus 1 adalah cumulative frequency. Fm adalah frequency for the median class. Multiply dengan median class size. Class size dia berapa? Okay, class size. Ingat lagi apa dia class size? Okay, range di antara classes. Okay, let's say there's the same example tadi, electricity bills. So, in order to find the median, we need to know the position of your median berada di kelas yang mana dan juga cumulative frequency. Okay, so cumulative frequency we created first. Okay, so here the first one 77. The next one 71 actually. 71. The next one 71 plus 31 will be 102 here. And then plus 13, it is 115. Plus 9, it is 124. Plus 10, 134. Plus 18, 152. Plus 28, 180. Plus 14, 194. Okay. Okay, the next column here adalah position of data. We need to create the position of data sebab kita nak tengok median berada di kelas yang mana. So, the position of data here will be from data daripada 1 sehingga 71 lah berada di classes yang pertama. Sebab dia punya frekuensi adalah 71. So, data number the first and the 70 data will be in the first classes. Okay, yang kedua pula 72, start daripada 72 sehingga 102. Start daripada 72 sehingga 102. Kalau you kira daripada sini 72 sehingga 102 ni adalah 31 dia punya frekuensi. So data yang ke-72 dan 102 berada di classes yang kedua. Okay, the next one will be just simply 103 sehingga 115. Okay, because of kita dah kira cumulative frequency tadi, so senang untuk kita nak to get the position of data. 125 until 134. 135 until 152. 153 until 180. 181 until 194. Ni position of data berada di kelas yang mana. Okay, and then we need to identify the median location berada di kelas yang mana. Okay, so macam mana kita nak tahu? It is nak tahu position of data, position of median. Position of median. It just n over 2. 194 over 2. Median kan titik tengah. So, it is 97. Okay, berada position of median adalah 97. So, which which row dan which classes contain 97th data. Data yang ke-97 berada di um, position yang berada di classes yang kedua. So we can say that the second class containing our median. Tapi what is the median? Kita nak cari median tu adalah median of the electricity bills. So kita nak tahu median ni, kita tahu median berada di classes yang kedua tapi tak tahu yang mana satu, 15 ke, 16 ke, 17 ke, 20 ke, 25 ke. So kita kena kira the median. But now we know that the median is located in these classes. Right? So we will apply the formula. Okay. LM. What is LM here? Okay, we know that LM adalah lower limit of the median class. So dia punya lower limit adalah 15. Lower limit we will 15 plus plus n over 2 tadi 194 divide by 2 minus dengan FM1. FM minus 1 adalah cumulative frequency before the median class. So the second row kat sini adalah median class. Nak tahu cumulative frequency, so tengok you punya cumulative frequency column. Cumulative frequency before the median class. So it is 71 before the median class. Kelas yang kedua. So kita ambil kelas yang pertama lah 71. So here will be 71. All this divide dengan FM adalah frequency of the median class. Ini frequency. Tengok dekat kolom frequency. The frequency for the median class adalah 31. Okay. Multiply dengan class size. Okay. Median class size. So 15 ke 30 berapa dia punya class size? So it is 15. So here will be 15. So macam mana nak cari class size? Before this dah belajar. The median class we can calculate using the upper limit minus dengan lower limit. Okay, ataupun upper boundaries minus dengan lower boundaries. Okay, so let's see the answer for the median here. Bila kira median lah sebab we have all the value here, so we can calculate. And then remember, bila you nak calculate, you kena selesaikan yang dalam bracket first and multiply first, baru you add up. Okay, so that is the rules of the addition dan multiplication. So 194 divided by 2, 97 minus 71 divide 31 and then multiply with 15 and then should plus dengan 15. So the answer will be 27.58. Okay, 27.58. So the median of the electricity bills is RM 27.58. If you can see, 27 memang berada di kelas yang kedua. So our median adalah RM 27.58. So that is the way how you to use the formula to find the median of the group data. Okay. Yang kedua, kita juga the other method, we can use the left hand ogive that you have learned before this, how to draw the ogive. Okay, so using this example yang lain berbeza, time taken. Okay, kita gunakan this example. First of all, we need to calculate the cumulative frequency because of we need to draw the octave. Kena ada cumulative frequency and draw the octave. Okay, remember to draw the octave, you should have the title, kena ada label axis X, label axis Y. X-axis adalah you punya interval, class interval ataupun upper limit ataupun upper boundaries, kan? Upper boundaries of the interval, and then your y-axis adalah cumulative frequency. Okay, so using that you can draw the octave. So here, kalau you tengok dia punya table kat sini, tengok dia punya type of interval here, it is overlapping 5, 10, 10, 15. So dia punya upper boundaries will be, so dia punya, kan we need the upper boundaries nak draw the octave. So upper boundaries will be apa ni, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30 and 35. But in order to draw the octave, kita kena ada satu value yang hendak dipadankan dengan cumulative frequency yang zero. Betul tak? Yang atas dia tu zero dulu. So kita ambil lower boundary for the first class. Kita start dengan 5 di situ. Okay. And then yang lain-lain ni kena kira cumulative frequency, which is it will be 1, 5, 10, 14, betul ke? 5, salah eh? 1, 5 should be here is 11, 15, 17, and 20. We have the cumulative frequency. We need these two columns. Now draw the octave. Upper boundaries dan juga cumulative frequency. Okay, let's see. Yeah. Okay, ni I dah buat. Nak cepat. Okay, so nanti you kena draw the octave using the graph paper. Wajib kena guna graph paper sebab nanti kita nak buat projection daripada graph paper tersebut. And then skill you betul-betul kena tally dan juga fit. Okay, so we need the title, cumulative frequency label dan juga x-axis label, and then draw the octave. So kena start dengan lower limit ataupun lower boundaries for the first class. 5 dengan kosong tadi kan. Kena start dengan y-axis ni adalah 0. Okay, so start di sini. Alright, so we have this octave. Okay, so how to draw, how to find the median using the octave? First of all, kena cari dulu position. Position of data. Position of data sama macam tadi juga. The position of data adalah n over 2. Okay, so here dia punya n tadi adalah total of the frequency is 20 divided by 2, so the position will be 10. So position ni berada di frequency ni. Yang kita nak tahu adalah median for the variable kita adalah time taken tadi. So kita nak cari median di sini. So the frequency, the positionnya berada di sini. So positionnya 10. So you kena drag ni. Kat sini 10 kan? So you kena dragkan guna pembaris. Please use the ruler. Okay, dragkan daripada sini sehinggalah menyentuh the line, the octave line, and then turun ke bawah untuk you tahu the median, your median. So di sini. So the median is here. Kiralah. Okay, because of that lah. I kata skill you kena betul-betul tepat, accurate to get the accurate median value. So kat sini 15, sini 20. So here will be 19 kat sini kan. So the time taken will be 19. So we can say that the median is 19 minutes. Okay, ini adalah median of the time taken, students' time taken to answer the quiz. So the median value is 19 minutes. That is the way uh, how you find the value of median using the OGIF. Okay, so your OGIF kena betul-betul accurate. Okay, you kena tahu how to use the OGIF. Kalau OGIF you salah, so your median pun will be different. Okay. Okay, the next one adalah mode. Okay, mode pada dua cara. The first one you can use the formula, and then the next one we can use the graphical method, which is using the histogram. So there's a formula for mode. Okay, tadi I tak explain, lupa. We kena tahu jugalah macam mana nak interpret the value of the median. Okay, macam hari tu. Sama je, cara interpret dia sama je. Nak interpret the value of median. Median, we know that median adalah titik tengah kan. So we can say that 50% of the, kalau yang ni value 27.58 ni, we can say that 50% of the electricity bills are more than RM27.58 and another 50% are less than RM27.58. Okay, so you should know how to interpret the value. Okay, we move to mode. So this is the formula. So L here adalah lower boundary for the class containing mode. So you kena tahu jugalah mode berada di kelas yang mana. So macam mana nak tahu? Kita tengok which frequency, which classes having the most frequency, okay, the highest frequency. F0 adalah frequency of the class containing mode. F1 frequency of the class before the class containing mode. F2 frequency of the class after the class containing mode. C adalah class size. Okay, let's see the example here. Alright, so in order to use the formula, we just need to know, we just need the frequency, and we need to know the which row ataupun which classes containing the mode. Okay, look at this. Look at this. The frequency kat sini, the highest frequency kat sini adalah 35. Okay, 35 here, which is the highest frequency. So we can say that the mode will lies between this value, the second classes. Nak cari mode. Mode untuk apa? Mode ni untuk variable lah. Kita punya variable adalah age. So kita nak cari mode berada di sini. Okay. Alright. So we will use the formula. Saya tak nampak sana. You can use, aku tak nampak, ada second. You can refer your manual, okay, untuk data tersebut. Okay, so kita masuk sini lah. Okay. So, untuk cari median, mode, to find the mode, so it will be L, capital L. L adalah lower boundary of the class containing mode. Lower boundary of the class containing mode. So what is the lower boundary of the class containing mode here? Lower boundary will be not 26. It is, kalau kita tengok kat sini, the type of the classes here, dia non-overlapping. So nak cari lower boundariesnya adalah, you kena buat 25 plus 26 divided by 2, right? So the lower boundary will be 55.5. Ambil kat sini. Okay, dia punya upper boundary 30.5. Okay, sebab 25 plus 26 divided by 2 tadi, dia akan dapat 25.5. Okay, so this is the lower boundaries. Okay, I have mentioned this before this in the previous lesson. Okay, so plus F0 minus F1. F0 adalah frequency of the class containing mode, so it is 35. Minus F1, frequency of the class before the class containing mode, which is 10. Okay, divide F0 minus F1 plus F0 minus F2, frequency of the class after the class containing mode, so 16. Then multiply dengan class size. From 21 until 25, berapa dia punya class size? So nak cari class size, mana-mana class pun boleh you cuba, which is the upper boundaries minus dengan upper boundaries minus dengan lower boundaries. Let's see, kita ambil yang kedua tu, which is 30.5 minus dengan 25.5, so the classes will be 5. Okay, so calculate this. Sama juga, you kena solve in the bracket first, multiplied, and baru add 25.5. So it will be so the answer will be 28.34. So the mode, so tengok kat sini mode-nya adalah, the variable-nya adalah age. Okay, so age, so kita punya mode berada di sini, so it is 28.34. So we can say that, macam mana kita nak interpret the value of mode here? We can say that most of the insurance agent each in an insurance company are 28.34 years. Ataupun kalau you nak bundarkan pun boleh, you ambil 28 years old. Okay, so that is the way how to interpret most of your variable. Most of the insurance agent's age in an insurance company is 28 years old. Okay, itu kalau gunakan formula. Macam mana pula kalau nak gunakan histogram? So remember, kalau nak lukis histogram, you kena ada frekuensi dan juga boundaries, class boundaries. The class boundaries here, kat sini dia bukan overlapping. So the class boundaries will be 20.5 until 25.5, 25.5 until 30.5, 30.5 until 35.5, and so on. Sehinggalah 50.5 until 55.5. This is your class boundaries of the histogram. Okay, we need these two column untuk nak lukis histogram. Okay, let's see. Okay, kena buat dulu histogram. Make sure kena ada title, x-axis, which is your the classes, which is age, dan juga apa ni, y-axis, which is the frequency. So di sini will be the 25.5, 30.5, and so on. So macam mana nak cari mode? Nak cari mode, you kena lukiskan garisan di antara the highest bar. Okay, the highest bar, which is the bar that containing the mode, the highest bar, and then you buat cross di antara sini dan di sini. Bukannya daripada hujung ni ke hujung ni. Okay. Sehingga sini saja. Sehingga sini. Sebelah sini. Okay. So macam mana nak tengok? So cari dekat sini. You drag down the drag down the ni pen ni. Guna pembaris please. So you akan dapatlah. Please guna pembaris. You akan dapat you punya mode berada di sini. So you punya scale kena betul. And then you boleh kira lah. So kat sini ni kan sepatutnya di sini adalah 25.5. Yang ni just kita letakkan dia punya labeling sahaja. Tapi di sini scale-nya 25.5, di sini 30.5, di sini 35.5. So you kena kira lah di sini berapa. It should be sini 25.5, di sini 30.5 di sini. Okay, so dia berada di tengah-tengah I think. So it should be tambah 2.5. So the answer will be 28. So here the value here will be 20 if we use the histogram. Macam tadi berapa jawapan tadi? Tadi kalau guna 28.34. So dia tak banyak lah, sama lah. Okay, gunakan histogram pun jawapannya nanti. Okay, so you boleh interpret macam biasa. Most of the variable is berapa? Most of the insurance agent age of the insurance company is 28 years old. Okay, that is the way how to interpret. Okay, I move a little bit about the characteristic of the mean, median and mode. So actually, you boleh baca dia punya characteristic each of this. As I said before this, actually we can use any of these values, sama ada mean, median and mode, to represent our data. Okay, but usually kita biasanya gunakan mean. Okay, biasanya kita gunakan mean. So dia punya adalah advantage and disadvantage of the characteristic of this each value of mean, median and mode. Okay, so relationship between these three value. Okay, by observing these three value, we can know the type of the distribution. As I brief explained before this, we have three types of the distribution, whether it is normal ataupun skewed to the left or skewed to the right. Before this, kita boleh tengok gunakan stem and leaf plot, kita boleh gunakan histogram. So now the other method, we can know the type of the distribution of our data by using the value of by observing the value of mean, median and mode. Okay, if the value of mode more than the value of median, more than the value of mean, so the data distribution is skewed to the left. You kena hafal this. Okay, so skewed to the left macam mana dia punya okay, skewed to the left. So maksudnya dia punya tail, ni tail lagi panjang di sebelah kiri. So the value of mode, median, okay, median berada di tengah. Okay, mode berada di yang the highest mode. So mode lagi besar daripada median and daripada mean. Di sini median berada. Ini for the illustration lah. Dan di sini, mode lagi besar kan, di sini median. Di sini median, di sini mean. Okay, mean lagi kecil daripada median, lagi kecil daripada mode. So our distribution will be skewed to the left. How about this skewed to the right? Skewed to the right distribution, it will be like this. Tail lagi panjang sebelah kanan. The highest one here is the mode. Mode. Okay, mode small than the value of median and the value of mean. Ni lagi kecil sebelah sini kan. Okay, and then if our distribution is normal, it will be like this, which is symmetrical di antara kiri dan kanan, dan all the value of the central tendency, which is mode, median, and mean adalah equal. Okay, mode, median, and mean will have the equal value, so we can say that our distribution is normal or symmetrical. Right? So that is the three methods of how to determine whether our distribution is skewed ataupun normal. Gunakan stem and leaf plot, boleh gunakan histogram, and then we can observe the value of mean, median, and mode. Alright, so that's all for today's session.